So fast forward testing goes like this. First, we do the regular pre-frame with the consequence. So give me a behavior that you want to stop. Okay, meaning what?
I have kids that crawl.
Just crawl on the ground.
Instead of walking, like come to the run, instead of walking to the run, they'll start crawling.
Do you tell? Wait a second. Hold on a second. Wait, do you tell your kids to walk to the rug, or you tell them go to the rug and they're choosing? And in your mind, you're like, you should walk, but I never told you had to walk.
So I'll tell them to come to the rug. Then
Okay.
if I see someone crawling, I'll be like, make sure you're all walking to the rug.
So you're giving them
And
an
then they
instruction
crawl.
which has the kids that don't want to do it crawl even lower.
Yeah.
Make sense? So instead, you can pattern interrupt real quick and then go, I like the way you're walking. I like the way you're walking. Do I want you crawling or walking? And then the kids that are crawling, you go, good job walking. Good job walking. And then, if that doesn't work, then you go to the next step, which is the fast forward testing. If you crawl, and you give them a consequence, like you take the show away from them, but if you don't give them the show, what's a positive reinforcer? What's a positive reinforcer that they actually like, that you can take away?
Like computer time.
Do they actually like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about if you said to your kids, instead of don't crawl, or I want you to walk, or all this stuff that you know has them conflicting with their body and their mind, if you crawl, no computer. If you leave it there, their bodies have no choice. They're all going to, the alphas are going to crawl because you told them not to. If you crawl, no computer. And here's the fast forward testing. Ready? If you crawl, no computer. And the fast forward testing is, and if you don't believe me, crawl. So now all of a sudden, instead of, I'm going to do the behavior because you told me not to, their brain and their mindset goes into, you're not going to trick me into getting that consequence, and then you actually see behavior stop.